looking at the key fob for the VinFast VF9. The overall style of the fob is pretty neat. You've got the VinFast logo up along the very top. You've got your horn or panic alarm, or your vehicle locator, unlock, lock, there's trunk release, and then you've also got this release here, and that's to get to the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, all you have to do is get access to that key, and then you're going to use the mechanical key. Oh, it's so tricky to do that one-handed. Use the mechanical key in order to get inside there. So you just have to pop that little cover off in order to get inside. And once you do, all you're going to do is place the key fob right there in order to be able to start up. And that's just in case the fob's ever died on you. There aren't too many key fob tricks or features. There's no window down option, which is something that I would like to see. There's no remote start on the fob. There is an available VinFast app that you can get though. Getting into the trunk of the ride can be done a few different ways. So you can double push the button here to do it. There's a button just to the left-hand side of the dual backup camera there. So you're going to push there. And then you'll also find a foot-activated liftgate. Now, one nice thing that I like about the liftgate is that you can also set a unique height. So you can set it up however high or low you'd like to. Once you find that perfect height for you, push and hold. You hear that little chime, and now it won't open up past that point. You can push here to close, you can push there to close, you can kick to close, use the key fob, etc. Multifunction key fob, it's great. And then there are a few other things that you can do with the fob, and let's hop inside and I'll show you. All right. So in order to use some different functions and set these things up, if you go into your settings here, we've got a boatload of different options, but hopping into vehicle first, you've got your easy access. So that means that the steering wheel, the seat are gonna, well, the seat's gonna back up, steering wheel to push forward for you to get in and out a bit easier. Your side mirrors though, do you want them to auto fold? Yay or nay? So you go to lock, do you want them to fold in? Yes or no? Do you want your mirrors to tilt when you put yourself into reverse? Your doors, your trunk foot kick sensor. So do you want to have a foot activated liftgate? Yes or no? You'll still have the power, it's just whether or not that kick sensor works. When you go to unlock the vehicle, do all doors become unlocked, or is it just the driver's door? There's the walk-away lock feature too. So if you haven't locked the vehicle and you start walking away, it's automatically going to lock the doors for you. Do you want to get feedback? Oh, the feedback here. We'll touch on this one in just a second. I'd say just go light, because if you go horn, it is wild what happens. But I'll show you in a second here. Then you've got different things for wireless charging, etc. The other one to point out would be your lights for exterior. You've got your follow me home. So when you go to lock the vehicle, do the lights just turn off, or do they stay on for up to 120 seconds? And then at nighttime, do you want to get different dances when you go to unlock the vehicle? Now, the one that I was laughing about here. So your doors with your response. So I'm going to show you if we just go, well, actually, let's go both for a second here. This is one thing that I think needs to be improved on. So watch this. So it, to me, sounds like the car's about to get to be stolen. That should be a little bit more subtle than going through the full blast. Let's just go light there. But that's use the key fob inside of the VinFast VF9.